Hi, David here of Lancaster Honda. Here we've got a Honda Jazz Crosstar. It's brand new, this one. It's in the surf blue and it's got the robust pack on it. So what I'll do on this video is I'll just show you a little bit more about the vehicle. I'll go through some of the features you get, and we'll start at the back corner. So this is the alloy design you get on these. Obviously there's going to be no curbing as it's brand new. So I won't spend too long on the rest of the wheels. I'll just give you a bit of a view of the actual design and then we'll move on. So one of the big benefits of going for the Crosstar over the normal Jazz is you do get this moulding all the way around, prevents rust to a degree, and it also prevents any stone chips coming off the wheels towards the lower parts of the body on the vehicle. So as you can see, the surf blue is quite a striking colour. It does seem to be a very popular one for us here. Also, this vehicle comes with keyless entry, so wing mirror folds when it locks. All you do is put your hand behind the handle, it opens itself up and folds out. And if you want to lock it, I don't know if you can see it because of the rain there, but there's three little points there. If you put your thumb on them, locks itself back up again. So carrying on with what's different about the Crosstar over a normal Jazz, you do get roof bars on it. So if you've got a bit more of a active lifestyle, you can probably carry things such as canoes, that sort of thing on the top. There's your next alloy. And then as far as the robust pack goes, you do get a slightly beefier front bumper there. So as you can see, it's got a fair bit more presence to it with that. And it also comes with parking sensors on both the corners. So there's one there, just another one down there. You still get your blue Honda badge signifying it's a hybrid, so it has got the 1.5 litre 4-cylinder engine, and it comes with 2 electric motors. Sorry about the wind there. So moving on, you get privacy glass around the back as well, and then you get slightly meatier rear bumper as well, which is also completely made of a moulding, so you can't scratch it, getting things in and out the boot, which again suits a bit more of an active lifestyle, carrying a lot of things around. So as you can see, you've got parking sensors along that all the way around. You've also got reverse camera, which is really good quality with 3 different angles. What I'll do now is just open the boot up. So that's the space you're dealing with in here. You do get quite a bit with a very low lip, so you can load things in and out very easily. And there's a bit more storage underneath. It's a little bit more than it looks in this video, I can assure you. You could get a fairly large backpack in there pretty comfortably. And then just while we're here, I'll just put one of the seats down so you know what sort of lip you're dealing with. So that's about the biggest lip in the way in, and sort of you're gonna never struggle really to get anything through there. It's near enough flat with that tiny little ridge. So you may notice there's no spare wheel in there, but there is a tyre inflation kit in these. And then you still get Honda's magic seat system, which means that you can lift the base up, fold it in, and it just clicks in place. Sorry about the crumbs down there, just off my shoes, I'll give them a hoover after. But as you can see, it gives you quite a lot of vertical load space in the cabin if you've got something a little bit too big for the boot. And then just in the back here, you've got 2 USB sockets, both the same there, so the other one on the other side just mirrors that. Great if you've got kids in the back. And you also get a little mobile phone holder in the back of the seat as well, so you've got your usual pocket just down there, but then there's another little one just up there that will fit. Well, I've got an iPhone 11, it fits in there pretty comfortably with a little bit of extra room. So moving into the front, you do get electric folding mirrors, and then you've got electric windows all around. We'll just close that up, start the engine. So just while that's starting up, we do have cruise control settings on this side alongside your lane keep assist. Then on this side, you've got everything to scroll through all your music and your trip computers. So the wheel is mainly trip computer stuff. You've also got your voice recognition there. And we'll just get rid of that because I've got no seatbelt on. So this screen here actually shows you what's happening with the power at the minute. So the engine is actually charging the battery right now. As you can see, it's only on 15 miles. It's pretty much just travelled between one of our sites to another, and that's it. And then we'll dismiss that. And there you go, you get sat nav in this vehicle. You've got multiple audio sources, as you can see there. And then you also get reverse camera, as I said before. So there's your parking sensors where they detect. And then you've got your 3 views there. So you've got top down, standard view, and then a wide angle. And if you're not a big fan of having the parking sensors there, you can just press the little blue button at the bottom and it goes full screen there. You can press that again and you get your parking sensors. So just below that as well, you've got all your climate control and all your sort of heating functions down here. So you just press auto, adjust your temperature like in most vehicles. You've also got heated seats, so there's one on this side, one over there, so only in the front. And below there you've got another couple of USB sockets in here and a 12 volt power outlet. And then you've got your automatic gearbox below with park, reverse, neutral and drive. And then this one here is regenerative braking, which means that the car will brake slightly if you come off all the pedals, and it regenerates a little bit of that electricity towards the batteries. And then just below that you've got your electronic parking brake with a brake hold function, and you've got an economy button which gives you a little bit better miles per gallon. And the way it does that is it controls the engine's sort of output alongside climate control functions. So if you're sitting there with the climate control on, it may reduce that a little bit just to preserve fuel. And then just coming down to the central area, you've got a cup holder there, a little square area that, seeing as it has got keyless start and keyless entry, I found that's quite a nice little place to keep the keys. And then just behind that you've got an armrest with quite a deep amount of storage in there, so you could definitely keep something in there. And just before we finish up this video, you do get the dual glove box that's been common to the Jazz for a few years now. Very handy feature, that one. So if you're interested in a surf blue Crosstar with a robust pack, this will be the one for you. And if you want to know anything else about it, just give us a call and we'll see how we can help. Thanks. Bye.